In this video, we'll walk you through how to install and cut out a return, and how to hang and cut a skimmer on an above-ground pool. To begin, press the liner flat against the pool wall with one hand, making sure it's smooth and tight. Then, with your other hand, mark your cut location with an X. Keep it smaller than the return fitting itself to ensure a snug fit. Use a sharp utility knife to make that X cut. Insert the return fitting from the inside of the pool so that the interior gasket sits flush against the liner. Trim any excess liner that gets pushed through the hole. On the outside of the wall, install the black gasket first, followed by the paper gasket. Now, thread the lock ring on clockwise. Tighten the lock ring by hand until snug. Then use channel locks to give it an extra 3/4 turn, just until you feel it bottom out. Do not over tighten. The return is now fully installed. Next, we'll show you how to hang and cut out the skimmer. Start by assembling the two main parts of the skimmer using 8 button head screws and a number 3 screwdriver. Tighten each screw just enough to keep the parts aligned. Do not fully tighten yet. Once all the screws are in place, snug them down gently. The plastic can strip and break easily, especially in cold weather, so use caution. With the skimmer body assembled, place the rubber gasket around the pre-cut skimmer opening in the wall. This gasket creates a barrier between the metal wall and the liner to prevent damage. Some installers prefer to place the gasket over the liner from the inside. It's a matter of preference, as long as it sits between the metal and vinyl. With one hand holding the liner flat to the wall, carefully pierce the liner from the outside wall through the screw holes, making visible marks in the liner to guide the faceplate install in the next step. This part is easier with 2 people. One holds the skimmer body from the outside, while the other attaches the faceplate from the inside of the pool. Start by aligning the screw holes and inserting one screw in the bottom corner. Do not over tighten. Let the faceplate hang while you install the opposite top corner screw. Once both are in, the skimmer can support its own weight. Now, secure the remaining corner screws, working diagonally, bottom right, top left, and so on. With the corners set, work your way to the middle screws, bottom middle, and the top middle. As the plate gets tightened, you may notice the original screws loosening and sticking out slightly. Just go back and give those a final snug down. Once all the screws are tightened, the skimmer should sit flush and rigid, helping to flatten out the pool wall. Before cutting anything, do one last check to make sure all the screws are secure. Never cut the liner until every screw is in place, or you risk the liner shifting. Use a sharp razor blade to cut an X shape inside the skimmer opening. Fold each flap back and trim the edges for a clean, open square. Now, your skimmer is installed and the liner is cut, ready to go. As with everything in the pool industry, there are many ways to do things. The outline processes is the way that works best for us. We're happy to answer any questions, and thank you for watching.